Hello children, welcome to Sky Online Academy. I am here to teach you English. Today we are going to see the story The Little Fir Tree. I am going to explain the short summary of the story, word meanings and framing sentences. Without delay, let us move on to the story. Short summary of the story. The Little Fir Tree. Once there lived a magician named Shetty. One fine day, after completing his work, he was returning back to his home. All of a sudden, there was a heavy rainfall. To safeguard himself from the rain, he searched for a place as a shelter. While searching around, he found a beautiful little fir tree. He rushed fast towards the little fir tree and stood under the tree for a while. Then the rain stopped. He thanked the fir tree for helping him while raining. He wants to give something in return as a token of appreciation. So he told the fir tree that he is ready to grant 4 wishes for it. The magician said the fir tree, "Ask for 4 wishes. I'll grant it." The fir tree was already sad because of the needle-shaped leaves. Since it has needle-shaped leaves, no birds like to sit on it. No birds built their nest on it. So it wants the needle-shaped leaves to be turned as green leaves like other friends, that is, other trees. It asked the magician to turn its needle-shaped leaves to green leaves. It is the first wish of the little fir tree. As of its wish, the magician has turned the needle leaves to green leaves. Unfortunately, goats came and ate the green leaves. It has turned sad. So, it asked the magician to grant the second wish. What was the second wish of the little fir tree? It wants gold leaves, because if it has gold leaves, no goats will eat the gold leaves. As of the wish of the little fir tree, the magician has turned its green leaves to gold leaves. Again, something unexpected has happened to the little fir tree. What has happened? A man came on that way, saw the gold leaves. Immediately, he plucked all the leaves, stole, and ran away. Fir tree is sad once again. So, it asked to grant the third wish from the magician. What was the third wish of the little fir tree? It wants glass leaves. It asked the magician to turn its gold leaves to glass leaves. As of the wish of the little fir tree, the magician has turned its gold leaves to glass leaves. It felt so happy, but the happiness did not last for a long. What happened? The same day night, there was a heavy wind, and as a result, all the glass leaves have been broken. It felt so sad, and the little fir tree has asked for the 4th wish from the magician. What was the 4th wish? Yes, you are right. It wants its needle-shaped leaves back. Why? Because if it has needle-shaped leaves back, no goats will eat the needle-shaped leaves. No man will steal the needle-shaped leaves. And no wind can do the harm for the needle-shaped leaves. So, it asked to convert its glass leaves to needle-shaped leaves back. As of the little fig tree's wish, the magician has turned its glass leaves to needle-shaped leaves. Now, after getting its needle-shaped leaves back, it felt so happy. Also, it told that it was not that much happier before. That means the little fig tree did not have that much happiness while having green leaves, gold leaves, glass leaves. But when it had its needle shaped leaves back, it felt so happy. Also, it told that it has not been so happier like this. That is the story of the little fig tree. Word meanings. Pretty. The meaning of the word pretty is attractive. Sentence. The flower looks so pretty. Next word, leaves. Meaning. One of the parts of a tree. Sentence. Leaves add beauty to the tree. Gold. A precious yellow metal used for making coins and jewelry. Sentence. My mom bought a gold necklace. Needle. A thin solid metal piece with a sharp point at one end. Sentence. I pricked my finger with a needle. Needle shape. Narrow, long and pointed like needle. Sentence. The fig tree feels so happy as it got its needle-shaped leaves back. Magician. A person who performs magic tricks to entertain people. Sentence. The magician conjured a dog out of his hat. Thank you, children. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.